Hello everybody. Today I'd like to make a second video about a speaker called that one, Logitech Z623. It's a speaker there. I thought I'd do one more in a clear, broad daylight so you can see it more. The speaker, it doesn't cost much. You can get it online, it's very cheap now. Now this video, the purpose is to test to use the speaker on television, instead of music. So this is my second video. So I can't project on the TV because of the copyright. I'm gonna play a Blu-ray there, and I want you guys to see the sound quality. That is the speaker there. I'll take it step by step there. Very basic operation. The other one's there. And the subwoofer is there. Again, if you look at my other video, this one does not rumble unless it is a big sound there, like a gun, truck, airplane. Something is loud, then it will rumble there. It doesn't rumble all the time. So I'm gonna turn a movie now, and I can't put a projector on TV because of the copyright. The purpose of this video is to see the sound quality from that Z623 Logitech speakers. And they are really, really, really loud.
Ирлас дедушка. Как ты сюда попал?
Не знаю. Обыскать его?
Нет.
I'm here for that girl. You gave me that a couple of nights ago.
You've had lots of cards. You still can get it up, дедушка?
I'm here about a certain girl. She got beat up pretty bad.
I think that maybe you have wrong address, дедушка.
As you can see, the subwoofer, it doesn't rumble.
Her name's Elena.
Alina. Ah, no, that's ring a bell. But whoever she is, I'm sure she must really know how to suck the cock.
Okay. Look, I understand. These girls that you represent, I understand it's an investment. So, I can give you $9,800. It's cash.
You're wanting to give me $9,000.
$9,800. Cash.
For what?
For freedom.
Uh-huh. This guy gonna give me $9,000 for one single piece of pussy. It must be Ferrari
This is
pussy.
the base.
Fucking Americans think that you can come into my place of business and just buy whatever you want. Beautiful Russian girls, no problem, just throw down this bullshit money.
I mean, with the low,
Fucking insult me.
it's better stereo sound the way I see it. Very low.
I'm just fucking with you, man. But you got very big balls coming in here. I like that. So, $9,000 for the troublemaker. One month. That's it. I think this is one-time payment. I mean, this out this girl in 2 weeks. That girl is still a child. I still can sell her as virgin. This makes prime earner for a good while. Take your fucking money and go back to your house and jerk yourself off 9,800 times, and then you come crawling back here to talk to me, huh? She will be used up by then for sure. Maybe then I will let you have it for nothing. Okay.
So this is with the speaker on. Now I'm gonna pull the speaker out, and you see the sound differently. There is a big difference.
Okej, det är
Now you're hearing a sound from television.
You wanna get something?
So you're hearing from the television itself, from the speaker. I'm going to put back the speaker. The sound. There you go. I think this speaker is necessary to watch television or movies because the sound output is much clarity, it's much louder. They are very good quality, this one. Logitech Z623. It's very clear, very loud, and yeah, you don't waste your money. It's a good value to put a loudspeaker on a TV. So this video is almost 10 minutes and hope you enjoy it. Very good speaker. I do recommend it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.